Wait, are you recording?
Yo, what up?
I'm gonna go to be the video. So today is Thursday. We've been doing the Ultron competition since Monday. No, not the Ultron. The mechanical toe. The first rank was 47, and then somehow went all the way down to 80, and then went all the way back up to 30. Until last night there was a major logic error, which caused us to be overrun by campuses. So you wouldn't be building anything on the first turn because there wouldn't be any legal campuses to build. I fixed that at like 10:30, and can't think about anything else. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, back home now, Thursday night, 9:18 PM. AI submission test in however long until 11 PM. Pseudo test game submission test and a game.c test. So, I don't like looking back at that code because I look at it and I'm like, I could do this 1,000 times better. But I just don't have time. My main problem though, like this mechanical toe thing is fine. My Something Awesome now, my Something Awesome is meant to be a mobile application that I've developed and sold 10 times. The problem is that I haven't started, well I have started. If you've actually read my blogs, look back, you can see that I started like a month ago with some basic concepts on the code. The only problem is that I've only done concepts and I haven't done the actual things, so yeah, the only problem is I'm not going to be able to put it up on the marketplace because the time to get something onto the marketplace for most applications is pretty long. At least that's what I'm told. It's also expensive, like it's like $100 per marketplace. Like, yeah. I haven't been up to date with the blogs, even the video blogs, because of other tests and stuff. So, doing my best. Hopefully I'm not boring people. I know that I'm talking too much right now. Attention rates falling. Whatever. Next vlog. Time lapse. Something interesting quickly. Oh, don't. Oh. Don't spark it.
Everybody on the feet and dance like a jig and jig boogie boy, doing everything you can with a little joy.
Okay, unfortunately my phone died, ran out of battery before I could explain what that footage was. But pretty much that robot was for an end project, and I know it's completely unrelated to the conf course, but the coding for the robot is in C. So you could say that it would have taken a lot longer to make that robot and its logic without learning C. I don't know, is there something in the portfolio about that? Anyway, I'm not too worried about Ultron now, because yeah, it's pretty much done. Even if it's doing pretty well in the rankings, even without the score comparisons, so should be fine. But now I'm more worried about my Something Awesome. It's written in C# on a physics engine, like it's pretty much like a super header file. My arm is getting really tired. Find out. But I'm gonna have to try to finish that today because I don't have much time tomorrow. Let me change arms again. Seriously, this camera is heavy. But gonna have to figure that out really quickly. Hopefully I'll do it after soccer today, although I don't need to come back dead. That's the benefit of programming. You don't need to, as long as you have fingers that can move, you can code it. You don't need a brain. Who needs a brain to code? I managed to fix my phone for development so I can deploy to my Windows phone. Fortunately, I don't think I'll get many sales on Windows phone because no one else uses a Windows phone. But I also have like several iPhones, like my sister has an iPhone, my mum has an iPhone, I have a bunch of iPhone 4s, why I keep them in the fridge. So, yeah, I don't have any Android phones, so I don't think I'll be able to test Android. So, yeah, where the heck is my bag? That's pretty much it. Hopefully, get this. I really want to get this application finished today because I really want to like show some people, let's see what they think about it. Because I want this to be, I don't want this just to be something that's something awesome. I want it to be something that I can work on every now and then. Because came up with this idea like half a year ago, but I just never had the time to implement it because of the HSC. I'm also trying to make these vlogs a bit more interesting because like when I purely talk about programming, like I can see people clicking off videos. I know Like I check the analytics on video. So I'll come back, I'll do another vlog after soccer and after I've started the project a bit more seriously. I've done some basic concept testings. I haven't been able to code like some things. It's all in C#, which is actually pretty similar to C except for some basic concepts. So hopefully I get this done. And if I don't, maybe I could just change it by something awesome, something easier. Okay, it's Sunday and I know I said I was gonna blog and all that stuff yesterday, but I kind of need to focus to actually get something done because surprisingly blogging is very distracting. This looks really basic. I haven't actually been able to work that much on the project itself because I've been trying to get my phone ready for deployment so I can test it. I managed to test it and I'll show you what I've got because I just had a kind of a breakthrough, which is pretty damn cool. Do whatever. So we're gonna build and this is gonna be glorious and I'll show you guys. You just gotta have an imagination at the moment because I haven't done any graphics. Just been trying to get the code to work and the deployment to work because I found the most important thing of a program is making sure that you can actually test it properly. So then we go deploy gravity, build started, oh hallelujah. Might actually just turn off autofocusing. Anyway, connecting to device, this is the thing that seems to fuck up half the time. Oh, Facebook, go away Facebook. Then we go, oh, yep, so it passed and then we go down here, go through all my apps, gravity. So this is what we have so far. So I blogged what I thought first. So right now, I built, pretend that white ball is a rocket. So pretend that thing's, so I can put my finger there and it'll get attracted to my finger. And it'll maintain velocity. I don't know why it's going so far to the right there actually. It's a bit weird. But it's adding a force based on where my finger is. So, yeah, it might not actually be working now that I look at it. It's Sunday. It's been a while since I did one of these, I think. Can't remember. But yeah, it's Sunday, day of the resume, portfolio, something awesome, all of it's due today. Now, it was actually due on Friday. Except I decided to put it off until Sunday because I wanted to try and get something submitted to the marketplace and to get approved. And also I want my portfolio to be better, like a lot better. So I'm actually only able to blog right now because it's rendering 98%, sweet. But that's my time management resume rendering out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish videos for the other sections. That was bad. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to finish videos for the other sections because I don't have time. It's what? It's 1:15, due in 11 hours, and I still have to do. I've done all the code for my something awesome, like all the logic makes sense, all that works. I just need to do the graphics, which is actually a pretty fundamental thing. Oh, just finished rendering. Sweet. But yeah, pretty much my video, it's not gonna show up because I've absolutely killed it. Can you guys see this? I probably am doing this completely wrong. Let's see. Pretty much I just talk over this. Got some found a cool template. I like it. Anyway, this is probably the last addition to this blog. I'll add in some time lapses and stuff of me working on the something awesome until it's finished. But been good. Salute, 2-finger salute, something, I forgot what the Australian salute's like. Yeah, whatever.